if you're anything like me, you really care about the food that your pets eat, particularly your dog. We're dog people, and I've been feeding my dog kibble for a long time. Now the kibble I feed him is healthy and it's good kibble, but just to keep her interested in the food, I decided that I wanted to research and what could I get that would not be so boring, if you will. Now I still feed her kibble because I believe the kibble is great for their teeth. It knocks off plaque and stuff like that. But this is a great addition to her food. Now I feed her twice a day. She's a large breed. They come in these tubes. It's called Freshpet. Now each tube comes with a pound of chicken. You get 2 ounces of spinach and potatoes. You get an ounce of eggs, and you get omega-6 and 3 fatty acids for every one of these tubes. Now they're handily, they are, I don't know if you can see that, but you'll see 1/4 pound markings. Now that's pretty handy because on each meal, I'll give her a 1/4 pound, and all you do is just slice it down where the 1/4 pound marks are, and you know that's sufficient for your size of breed. Because on the back of the box, it does have recommendations. Now you could feed them just the Freshpet all by itself, and they'll have a recommendation for how much you're supposed to give your dog. In my case, like I said, we have a large breed dog, so it would be, and we feed her twice a day, so it would be 1 stick or 1 tube a day split in half. Now I don't do that. I like to keep that kibble, like I said, so you can use this as a topper. Now that's where I like it. So I just look up how much she weighs, and I just slide over, and for her weight, it says 3/4 of a pound per day. So you just divide how many times you feed your pet and cut that down accordingly. And you get into their food, and I'm telling you, she almost attacks it when I set it down. She's well behaved, so she waits until I tell her that it's time to eat. But the anxiousness that you see come across her face when it's mealtime or food time, it's great. You know that they love it, and it's healthy. And I highly recommend you consider Freshpet for your pet.